Why do 99% of wildlife experts call elephants ecosystem engineers? Because these majestic creatures shape the world around them, literally. Elephants play a crucial role in their ecosystem. By knocking down trees, they create open spaces that allow new plants to grow. These open spaces provide habitats for a variety of other animals, but that's not all. Elephants also spread seeds far and wide through their dung. This helps new plants to sprout up in different areas, promoting biodiversity. And let's not forget about water. Elephants dig watering holes, which become vital sources of water for other animals during dry seasons. So next time you see an elephant, remember that they're not just big and beautiful, they're shaping the world around them. Elephants truly are the guardians of the wild.